look today using Milani foundation and Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm actually just a little bit obsessed. Just a little bit. I just put this on so the creasing ain't too bad yet. I love it. And it's very light. It's very, very light. Guess glad we ain't moving out. Shouldn't be moving out there then. What you say? Oh, okay, I love you. Just try to stay calm, okay? Later. It's okay. Alright, come on. Alright, remember, look right here, not right here. Okay? Alright. Go ahead, Raina. Hey, what's going on, guys? If you want to see how I achieve this hairstyle, then keep on watching because it's actually a very quick and easy hairstyle. It just took me a little bit to get here, so I think it's cute. Plus, I think this makeup look was cute. If you want to see it, I did not film it, but I will be happy to re-record it for you, or to record it for you, because I didn't film it at all. So just let me know down below in the comments, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. I really have to remember to look into the camera and not the viewfinder, but until then, y'all gotta deal with this. So, alright, bye.